Teka.
Our rusty refrigerator. Rusty refrigerator. My husband is fixing our ref.
Ref kasi bisag wasak na.
Our ref. We got this one last 2016 in a raffle from his previous employer. So we cannot buy new ref. That's why he needs to fix it. Okay. Rusty. There's a lots of rust. Rust. So I think it's already good for. It's 7 years old ref. Like kayo.
Tingnan ko yata. Ito, last 17.
Oh no. Not 7. 2016. So it's 9 years. 2016 ba o 2017?
17 last December.
Okay. So 8 years. 8 years old.
8 years old.
Ref.
Representative.
Nice one, honey. Boy, you need to put kalang or no need? Put, what do you mean by harang? Barriers. So that it will goes up. Without the cap of the bottled water, it goes down. Okay? No more harang? Okay, so need harang.
Ano kaya isa niyan?
May vlog na si Ayo. Ayo, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Open. No more laman. Only water. No laman. Only water. Expired loaf bread.
Malambot na.
Here, water also. And 1 piece of
creamy fish.
creamy milk.